Hey, what's up guys? Low Voltage Dude back at it. Just gonna do a quick preview of my box. I'll start pulling things out, and I've worked out of it for about a week, and I haven't had any problems really, putting things in or taking things out. You can see I can definitely put things in a lot of different ways. This holder for drivers, that's made by Olsa. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mount it to the top lid. There's these holes right here. I think that's for your battery chargers, and that's for the tick. So I'll find a way to actually put something here and then mount this to that plate that I'll put up here, and I'll utilize the holes that are right here, so I'm not messing with the box. You can see on the inside I did raise up the wall. So what I really like is that my jab saw, keyhole saw, fits really good right there. My file fits really good right there. And I think if I eliminate this, it just gives me a little bit more room to kind of stuff things. I don't know if I'm going to, after I move this to the top lid, I don't know if I'm going to actually cut this back down like it was before, and maybe bring it back up so at least it leaves these spots right there. And then another thing I'll do is I'll get my glow rods and I'll find a place to mount these on the top lid as well. Just free up that space a little bit more. And then really what I need to carry in here most of the time is probably going to just be my drills. But it's nice to know if I need to stick something else in there, I can. Like my jig fits back there, up here. Sawzall fits on the bottom or on the top laying sideways. These don't really get in the way, and they do hold everything pretty good. So yeah, that's my box for right now. I'm definitely gonna keep working on it. I have things that I like that I've done. I have things that I think I can do better. Have my small fish tapes. This one's like a 50-foot. I think that's like a 20-foot flat. I have this. It's attached to the tape holder right there. So if I undo that, I can just grab both of those and get going. I like that it fits on the box like that. My magnet sticks pretty good right there and out of the way. Place for some tape. Little bag back here. Let me carry a little bit more. My Bluetooth job site speaker. My measuring tape. I like having two of a lot of things, I guess, because I do have other guys on the job with me, and I like to make sure everybody's moving and going. There's a small dustpan for easy cleanup. Saves me from grabbing the vacuum later on. And then I did put these reflective tapes on the box, give it a little bit of a different look. And I'm always dealing with safety and safety cones, so it turns the box into a little bit of a safety cone. But that's pretty much it for right now. I have tried putting different tools in here and stuff like that. I haven't had any issues really piling up things in different ways, so it's working out. This wall, you see I brought this one up, and you can see this little groove right there. I was able to wedge that piece of wood. It actually built up this wall so I could actually store a few more things in there. And I'm gonna pile everything back in and